Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about the the same thing which we have discussed in our previous session, that is a Hugging Face ecosystem. So in our previous session we have seen completely a theoretical part, so what will be available in the Hugging Face ecosystem. So we have seen that there will be pre-trained models as well as some data sets, libraries, tools, and there will be Hugging Face hub, so where we can find all these models available in a public repository. And similarly Hugging Face space, so where we can deploy our own models, we can test our own models, and also we can make use of the existing models. So like that we have seen completely in the theoretical way. So in today's session we'll see the complete practical orientation of this Hugging Face. So let us open the browser, and this is a website, so to interact with the Hugging Face. So huggingface.co. So there sign up with some information, then log in with your credentials, so you'll get this page. Okay, so here you'll be finding models, data sets, spaces, and the community. Now we will concentrate in this session on these spaces. So here the spaces means, so already available models, the models which are available or models which are created by any developers or researchers will be placed in this particular space. So not only the available, so we can also deploy our own models in this particular AI app directory. So you can see here spaces, the AI app directory. And here you will be finding a different categories. See, image generation, video generation, text generation, language translation, text analysis, image editing, code generation. So like that we're having a lot of categories. So each category there will be a many more models which are available. So we can directly make use of those models. So in today's session we'll see a few of these categories and few models. So let us start with the first one, that is a image generation. So this is a image generation. So these are all different models which are available, and all the things will generate the images itself, right? So let us start one thing. So I'll go with the first one, Miragic AI image generator. So here you see how to use, enter the detailed description of the image you want to generate, select a model, and adjust the image dimensions, generate the image. Here we are having a few examples. See, I'll go with this one. Bake a cake from this logo, or see, a epic fantasy landscape with a floating islands cascading. So I'll click on this one. So this is an example. Okay, so instead of this example you can also give some description, so that you will be getting the image in the same way. Okay, see, I'll generate, I am not changing anything, so I'll generate the image. So you can see epic fantasy landscape with floating islands. See, cascading waterfalls, ancient ruins, magical aurora. So everything will be represented in this image. You can also download this image, and not only this, you can also generate dog playing in garden. So I will give one more description, and I'll click on generate image. Oh, sorry, free daily credits. Okay, so it was a credit based, so unfortunately our credits has been closed. So you can give your descriptions, and you can simply generate image, so that image will be generated. Or else you can also move on with the one more thing. Yes, NSFW, and see, give the prompt here, dog playing in garden, and run. So it will generate an image here. So if one model is not available for us, we can use a one more model, another model. See, dog and a garden. Okay, so previously we got an error message that the credits has been closed, so that we can move on with the another model, no problem. So as I said that for the image generation, okay, for this image generation category we are having a lot of models here. So based upon the description you can go with this one. So create your own AI comic with a single prompt. So generate images from the text prompts. So all these are different models. So by using these models we can generate the images. Okay, and next we'll move on with the video generation. So in this video generation, let us see what we can do. So generate a video. Yes, we can uh, give one image and we can make that image into a video. So I'll drop image here. So I'll select this image. Okay, tiger image. This is an image. Okay, this is not a video. This is an image. Okay, so I'll generate a video and let us check uh, whether it will be generating or not. So as this is a video generation, so it may take some time. Okay, so meanwhile just subscribe to our channel to get more videos and to learn more interactive things. Okay, yes, here also for this video generation we are having a lot of models available, so we can select any one of the model. If one model is not available, we can move on with the another model, no issue. Okay, and see, this is an image. I have converted the image to video. It's a 4 seconds video. The same thing generated. Okay, so hope you understood. So like this, for a video generation also we are having a lot of things. See, this is also one more model: generate videos from a text or images. Okay, generate a video from a image with a text prompt. So like this we can use any model to generate the images. Right, and let us move on to the next one, that is a text generation. I'm only showing only one model in these things. Okay, next, this is a text generation. In this text generation, let us see an interactive demo for the family model. See, text generation, let us check. Yes, so you drop the image here. I'll drop this image here and see, submit. It will generate a text. It will generate the, it will narrate the image. Okay, it will generate the text and it will narrate the image. See, here also we are having a lot of models available, so we can make use of any one model. So here are some examples given. Explain the content in detail. Explain the content. So some images was given, and it was explaining some content. So what exactly that image was reflecting, right? So like this, here also we can use the same. See, based on the image provided here is a description of the scene. The image captures a powerful and majestic tiger walking directly towards the viewer along a dirt path in a lush green forest. The tiger's orange and black striped coat is vivid against the verdant background. So the complete narration has been given for this particular image. So if you can give one image, so the description, it will give the complete description. Okay, you can also give some video. You can also submit one video here, so that we'll get the complete information about that video. So this is about the text generation. Okay, next we'll move on with the language translation. So see, this is one model where we can translate one language to another language. Okay, so let us check with this one. See, so I'll select the source language. As we know, the language translation, we need to give the source language and destination language. So I mean target language. English language. I'll give hello viewers, welcome to Hugging Face ecosystem in generative AI. Okay, so the target language, view the target language with the Telugu and just translate the text. So see here, processing. See, the complete thing was given into text. Okay, English to Telugu. So you can also change. So around 200 languages will be there. So we can convert any language to any language. So this is a completely a language translation. Okay, so these are different models available. So there will be in different pages and different models for language translation. And coming to the next speech synthesis. So in this speech synthesis, you can see free text to speech generator with emotion control. So we can convert any text to speech. Okay. So with an emotion control, right? So here, see, enter the text you want to convert to speech. So hello viewers, I'll give welcome to generative AI session. Okay, so emotion style, I'll give happy, and voice, different voice will be there, alloy, echo, fable. So you can go with this one and generate audio. So it will convert the text to speech. So here this is audio. Okay, you can play this one.
Hello, viewers. Welcome to Generative AI session. Hello, viewers. Welcome to Generative AI session.
So not only the English, we can also give any language here. See, I'll translate it. Okay, I'll translate the same thing. I'll copy and I'll paste it here. And now I'll click on generative again. Generate.
Hello, వీక్షకులు జనరేటివ్ AI session కు స్వాగతం.
See, so here we can also give the emotion. Now I have changed the emotion to sad.
హలో వీక్షకుడు జనరేటివ్ AI session కు స్వాగతం.
So like that, not only one language, we can convert any language text to a speech by using this one. Okay, and the next one is a object detection. So let us move on with the object detection. See, in this object detection, let us select one thing called a candle yellow. So you can simply read the description. See, this one, license plate detection, detect license plates in images. So if you give some image with the vehicles, it will detect all the license plates. Okay, so like that, it identifies the objects and poses in a image. So I'll select this candle yellow, and here I need to give an image. See, I need to drop an image here. So I will drop the same thing, tiger, and it have to predict something. Okay, see, prediction. So we got it as a zebra. So it was predicting it as a zebra. Okay, rather than tiger, it was predicting it as a zebra. And see, we are having a few examples here. So I'll select this image. Okay, and predict. See, I got, it was predicted this one as a skateboard. It was prediction as a person. This is a person. This is a person. This is a person. So it will identify the objects in the image, and it will give the description. Okay, yes. Next, so this is the object description, or I mean object detection. So there will be a lot of things. See, detect faces with or without mask in images. So if you give an image with a few persons wearing a mask and few persons without wearing a mask, it will detect the persons who are not wearing the mask and the persons who are wearing the mask. So these models, all these models are related to this object detection. And coming to the text analysis, let us move on with the text analysis. So in this text analysis, so one thing we can use is text summarizer. See, here also you can check. See, grammar errors. For grammar errors, you can use this gram former. If there are any grammatical mistakes, it will correct it. And see, this is a text summarizer. Choose to summarize the text. Okay, so text summarizer and text to be summarized. Let us move on with this question answer. Okay, I'll give the question here. See, the context. The option to convert models between form and transformers give freedom to the user and let people easily switch between frameworks. The question is, why is model conversion important? If you submit it, automatically we'll get the output here. So based upon this particular context, it will analyze and it will return the answer. Okay, this was the question. From this paragraph, we need to get the answer. So automatically it will generate the answer. See, we'll move on with the next one, another one, because it was taking some sort of time. Okay, so yes, see, which continent is the Amazon rainforest in? So just give the submit. So we'll be getting South America. So from this particular context, if you ask the question, we'll be getting the answer. Similarly, if you are having any paragraph, so automatically from that paragraph also we can ask the question, so that it will analyze and it will give the answers, right? So this is related, completely related to the text analysis. And the next one is image editing. Image editing. So here we can edit the images. So here see AI powered image editing tools. So I'm using here. I'm selecting the image. So I'm getting this one. I'm giving a prompt. So let us use the examples given here. See, set the background to opera stage with the red curtains, change the outfit into a traditional Chinese, give the character blue dragon like eyes, change lighting to soft, dreamy, pastel glow, sitting cross-legged on the ground. So let us move on with the first thing. Set the background to a grand opera stage with red curtains. So here, let us use the start editing. So it will process and we'll get the background of this particular image will be modified. It will be changed. Okay, so you can observe around 15 tasks are ahead, so low priority. So we need to wait for some time. Okay, so meanwhile you can go with the one more category. We'll see one more category. Now let us move on with the next category, that is a question and answering, that we have seen in our text analysis, and then we'll go with the background removal. So background removal also we can use the same thing. Okay, we can remove the background. So just click on this one and you can go with the BG remover, and by using the BG remover we can remove the background. So just drop the image here and you just click on submit. Automatically will remove the background of this particular image. So simple, is with a fraction of seconds we'll be getting the result. So you can download this one, you can also download this one. Okay, see here the image has been generated. So what we have given, set the background to a grand opera stage with red curtains. So this is opera stage with red curtains. So the image has been changed, editing. Okay, so like this we can also use the image editing models, and this is a background removal model. And coming to the OCR, we can give the image and we can get the information. See, let us click on this one and I'll use this model, and I'll drop the image. So I have some image with text, image with the text. Okay, so extract. Sorry, this model was not suitable and not coming out. So I'll go with the first model. So if one model is not available, you can simply move with the another model. So I'll give this one and I'll just process the image. Sorry, this one also we are getting the same thing, quota exceeded. So see, light on OCR 1B demo. So here let us check what, whether we can get or not. This is an image. Okay, this is an image, and see, extract the text. See, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. So the same thing was there in this image. See, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. So I'm giving some image, and from that image we are extracting the text. Similarly, we can also give the PDF and you can extract the text. Okay, this is particularly a extraction. Okay, text extraction is a OCR. Okay, and then so like this, we can also go with the one more model. See, these are all different categories. Text summarization, one more category. Sentiment analysis, we can give some information and we can get the information from that particular thing. And image captioning, so this is one more thing. So we can give the image and we can get the description of that particular image. Okay, see, I'll go with this one, Joy Caption Alpha 2 model. So here you can drop the image. So I'll drop the image, the same thing, the same image, we can use the same image. So caption type, it's a, we can just give this one, yes, go with the descriptive and very short. Okay, and see, give the caption. Okay, it was also done. Let us move on with the image to prompt. One more model, we are using the one more model in the same category. So just click on this one and load the image and you can give the submit. So we'll get the complete caption or the description, okay, which is similar thing. See, the image shows a tiger walking on a dirt path in a forest. So that complete information we got. The caption, we can give the same caption to that particular image. Okay, and similarly one more category I'll give you, the medical imaging. Okay, it was also one interesting thing, that is a medical diagnosis. So if you give here your problem, so see, describe how you feel in a great deal. So having a headache and stomach pain. So submit. So based upon the input we'll be getting the analysis. See, so 61% chances is of having diarrhea. So if you click on this one, see, diarrhea, allergy, 7% stress, 5% malaria. And if you give only headache, having headache, see, stress, 39%, flu, 38%. So like this, the medical diagnosis will also be available. So similarly, so analyze X-ray images for potential conditions, general treatment plans based on the patient conditions. Treatment plans also it will be giving. Okay, so these are all models which are related to the medical imaging. And last one is a facial recognition. We'll see face recognition. Face recognition will see. Uh, Let us check with facial expression record. Okay, so I'll click on this one and I'll use this one, so my image, and click on submit. It will give the same thing: happiness 35% of happiness, neutral 26%, angry 13%, sad 9%, and fear 8%. So based upon the emotion also it will give, based upon the image it will give the emotions. Okay, so this is one more category regarding the facial face recognitions. Similarly, anomaly detections will be there, character animations will be there, next pose estimations will be there, and financial analysis will be there. So these are all different categories, and each category we are having a lot of models, and we can make use of these models. Okay, and also you can create your own model and you can deploy the model in this particular space, right? So hope you understood. In this video we have seen only very few models and explore this Hugging Face ecosystem, and I think the statement is justified that this Hugging Face ecosystem is an AI supermarket. So everything will be available in the single space, so that's called as a community, AI community, right? So let's stop here and hope you enjoyed the session. And if you really understood the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.